Hi. This is Blue Peter in Sirius. I just went to the fields and got some of these sticks. We call them anafrigas. And we're going to make a windmill for the kids. This reminded me when I was young. We take this, we're going to use a knife, we're going to use a BT sharp knife and the scissors. The beer has nothing to do with it. Because we're lacking of big pieces of anafriga, we're going to use an empty box of tide to make the sails, if you like. Now, I'm going to cut some bits of wood now, and I will then tell Meathi to do some more film once we have something to show you. Is this stopped? Okay, it's been 3 minutes now. We've cut this long piece into a short piece. I found some nails up on the building side on the top, rusty things, but they'll do. Point at the nail, yes, one rusty nail. We've made a hole, and I tried my best to make the hole right in the center so it balances at any position. We've used the box of Siva and we've cut, using the BT scissors on the Swiss Army knife, 2 sails. And did 2 slots there, and we're gonna put we put one through on that slot like that. Then we're gonna put another one on the other side, bearing in mind that one slopes this way, the other one slopes that way, in order to create a differential pressure. We will tell you more once we have the next stage of the construction. Okay, please ignore the noise coming from Sofia. It's Calpol night tonight. But anyway, here it is. We've made a hole in the middle with a nail. We now want to prove that it actually works. It was windy, but all of a sudden it went. Let's hope that some wind will come. Please. Wind, hello. Okay, there's no wind, but we'll prove that later. Now, this is the main body. This is the main body of the whole contraction. We just made a hole with another nail there. And what we'll do, we'll make sure that it can actually rotate freely, because this is going to be following the wind. This is going to go in the front, and we're going to have a sail, if you like, there, so it can rotate like that. Now, I think the wind is coming, so we can test it. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, the wind, there it is. Focus. Ladies, there it is. It's working. Perfect balance. Yes. Now, this is what we used to do in the days when there was no Super Nintendo or Ninja Turtles. Things from which we learned. Look at that. You could take off with that, ladies and gentlemen. We will show you the finished article in a couple of minutes. Right, we just made the sail out of the same box of tide, which goes at the back like that. This is to enable it to follow the wind, and we'll show you more about this in a minute. We just went down and got this big chunk here. This is going to be the main hole onto which the whole thing will be rotating. And now we're going to use Daniela's and Michael's bread knife to trim it. Okay, it's not as hard as it looks. We will show you more once this is finished. But before you shut off, Meathi, cheers. And also the good news is Sofia has decided to stay quiet. Uh-oh, sorry, spoke at the wrong time.
Sofia! Hello, baby.
This is...
Okay.
Okay, we've trimmed this anafriga. Unfortunately, it's rotten inside there, you can see. So what I've done, I've made a little sleeve with a smaller piece of anafriga. Put it there, trim that to fit the bottle. Now we push it in like that. We check that it's balanced, alright? It's balanced, alright? And we put it on the bottle like this. We stand it up, and it should be following the wind. Let's have a look. It's not very windy now, but it'll get windy. It'll get windy. Wait a minute. Let the wind blow. Don't panic. There you are. You see, turn to face the wind.
Well done. Brilliant. Go and get the baby now. And I'll show you the view. Here's the baby who's going to be miserable all night long like usual.
Now let's have a look now. We just wait for the wind now, Sophia.
Sophia!
Alexia, you can come in as well. There's the wind coming up now. Okay,
As you
and
can see, it's moving very
there you are. It's accelerating
Brilliant.
very, very fast. And it follows the wind.
Well done!
You see that?
Yeah.
Do you see that?
Hello! Ah!
Oh, okay, we're in a bad mood actually, but okay, this is Blue Peter calling off from Blue Bay in Syros.